need to make a half circle in Illustrator? Let's find out how in this tutorial. Come over to the left-hand bar, select your ellipse tool, hold Shift and drag out an ellipse. Select it. For the purpose of this exercise, let's add a colored fill so we can see what's going on, and I will change the stroke to something a little thicker. From there, let's select it, and then we're going to come over to the scissors tool. You'll see the 4 anchor points appear on this circle. If you click the anchor point there and click the anchor point there, you've now cut the circle in half. If we use the selection tool, we can see now that this circle is cut in half. Now, the last thing you want to do once you've done this is you want to connect this path up, because right now, if I take away the fill, you'll see that this is an incomplete shape. So what I want to do is go in with the pen tool. I'm going to highlight over the open anchor point until I see that little line, click it, and then come across and close the path then when I see that little circle appear, and click there. And now I have a closed path. I can do the same then with the bottom one, click there and close the path. And now I have a complete half circle, and I can change the fill and stroke accordingly. So there you have it. Incredibly simple way to take a circle in Illustrator and cut it in half to create a half circle. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you found it helpful. Please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments of future tutorials you'd like to see on this channel. Until next time, keep designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.